Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options, and in basics we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will mark everything. What's more, right here we've got the time range, so we can change it from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.